last known habitat was British Cemetery Road.
My name's Noah Daniel, and I'm going to be your host for this competition today. Kevin's already making noises at me, and we'll see how pissed it gets me. To start this competition off, we have the legendary Nico throwing the bread up in ceremony for the Seagulls. Nico! Throw the bread! All right, Miss Kitty, lead it off strong. Get it going.
I just want you to know that one good turn does not deserve another.
Miss Kitty! Mr. Jake, everyone, judges, how do we feel about that? A good swig of the Miller Lite always does it.
I am a sexual seagull.
Hunter is saying it was a bit strange, but... Lockton, let's hear it for you! That may be the best one yet. Here it goes. This is a whole flock of seagulls up here.
One, two, three.
Some underwhelmed looking judges. Hatton! Hatton! This is
A dying seagull.
Everyone, give it up for Hatton! Coming up here next, it's Claire!
Kevin's coming back.
The mic's a little low. You can smoke there. Kevin, why are you taking a loaf of bread? The natural seagull, Kevin. Give her hell, Claire. Everyone, give it up for Claire! Woody, we better see a good score out of you. Alrighty, we got the highest score of the day. Absolutely wowing the crowd. Let's hear a loud one for Meg Scott for that one. I know there's plenty of people here who want to screech like a seagull. Dustin, come screech like a seagull. Because you can't beat Claire, is that why? Alright, I understand it, Dustin. Sorry, that's Justin. That was not very nice, but I just got listened. Oh, he's clearing his...
That's all I got.
Better than nothing, Augie. We have a late entry coming into play here. Everyone, give it up for Brooke.
Okay. First of all, this is awesome. Thank you for making this happen. Brought to you by all the seagulls of Ocracoke Island. Okay. I was doing my research. I have the Merlin Bird app, and there are more gulls than I realized. Just like there's more bananas than we realized. So let's see what we got. Okay. All right. Ready? Wait.
Billy, does backstory count for points? No. It doesn't. You're out of luck, Brooke. We still haven't gotten your score. We have more late entries. Uh-oh, we have some competition here. I may have announced it too soon. Once again, people, it's not too late to enter. Ferris, that would make any man proud right there. Do we have any more late entries?
Jimmy and Helen.
Oh, this is not the right decor, but it's some decor. It's a pink chicken. Are flamingos a disqualification, or are we allowing it? What are we thinking here? All right, we're allowing it. New rule change. Flamingos are allowed. Go on. They may have been served by Bronco before this. I'm not sure.
10.
Once again, any more late contestants? This is going to be the last call here. Last call. Come on, people. I know we got some screechers. Here comes the late contestant.
I don't know. I had no plan.
He looks a little bit ready here.
I've been preparing this since I was 6. This goes to the seagull that stole the hot dog off the grill when I was 6.
Oh, God.
Fuck you.
Everyone give it up for Miss Mary! Judges, how are we feeling? We got a 9. We got an 8. Woody? We got another 8. Oh. And last, but actually the best, I think we all know who this is. Nico's over here giving away the answer. Luckily y'all can't hear her. She's the only one who showed up dressed in a costume, which it's kind of underwhelming. But y'all got next to you. Come up here, Claire! Screech as an honorable mention. That was Kevin, back up from the microphone. Everyone gather around this way. We got a final screech off. Claire, everyone get up here. It's the last squall.